Well, hello everyone, and welcome to a very secret room here at PECO. Not many people get to see this side of the business. I'm here with Simon in the innovations office, and the innovations office is where everything tends to begin. The design of the tools, the design of the product, and all of the work that goes into preparing the next new product. And this time we're going to be talking about the PECO Streamline Bullhead 00 Curved Turnout. Now these are in production now, and they'll be arriving in the shops probably by the time you see this video or soon after. Now, the one thing to note about bullhead is that bullhead turnouts are hand assembled. An awful lot of work, a lot of labour goes into it, and every one that goes to the shops has been carefully crafted from beginning to end. Now, on the screen here, and Simon can talk us through this, is the, what have we got here, Simon? Is this the CAD design?
This is the CAD design for the tool we have in front of us for the 1186 and 1187 in the C75 bullhead range. In this instance, it molds the whole part in one shot. Previously, we've had a frog section and a toe section. So that's quite unique to this point.
The curved turnout in the bullhead range, like all the other bullhead range, it features the unifrog arrangement. Previously, we used to have to make two versions of everything, electrofrog and insofrog, names that many modelers will be familiar with. But this is a unifrog turnout. Now, presumably that makes life a lot easier for us, Simon,
yes.
Doesn't it?
Yes, absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
So these frog rails would be almost impossible to fit without them being insert over molded.
Yeah. Well, I see your computer's caught up with us now, so yeah. Perhaps you can show us a bit more there.
Absolutely. So as you can see, we have lots of small castellations running across the core half of the mold tool, and they all have to be machined within 0.01 of a millimetre, and they all have to socket within a cavity in the opposing half of the tool here. To give you an idea, that's something like 96 shutoffs that all must meet within 0.01 of a millimetre, so that we have gaps where we can insert and fit the rails in production.
So, quite frankly, we're a step away from being able to put man on the moon here, aren't we?
It's incredibly difficult,
yes.
Having made these and supervised making them and now passing the work on, these are our most challenging jobs.
Brilliant. Well, thank you, Simon, for that. And I hope that gives you guys who are watching a bit of an insight as to the level of work and skill that goes into the preparation of tooling for these products. It's quite incredible. And as Simon says, the accuracy that we need to adhere to is quite incredible. But these will be arriving in the shops very shortly, along with the rest of the bullhead range, which is available. We've just got one more major component to make, and that's the three-way. And we're currently working on that for release later this year. And we'll bring you news of that as soon as we're able to. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye now.